At Brand Concept, we empathize on our consumer, where we focus on the style which reflect their personalization, individuality of the person. We do various market research which include from LFR, EBO, online, and we collate those data married with our design requirement. We carefully combine what's the fashion trend and consumer needs.
While imagination is boundless, we have certain brand guidelines and consumer insight which help us to create ideas which are brand specific and practical. We do a thorough market research and forecast study which gives us information about the current and upcoming trends.
So that's the most fun part of an ideation. It's basically once the designer gives the complete ideation, how he thinks about the product, convert his ideations into actual format. So there are different processes basically, like when a designer thinks, he segregates the product design into different products, right? From aesthetic, functions, color, then his textures, everything. So once it comes to prototyping also, we segregate these into these many aspects and then probably deep dive into each aspects. So for example, we take form. Now how do we realize a form? So in this case, we comes to the pattern making. So these are the prototypes which we make. Before that, the pattern masters make different patterns with different sizes and different dimensions, stitch them together, and with any material which is available in their store, they make a product form, which helps the designer to understand whether it's very close to what they were thinking, or do they need to do any modifications in the product. So once it is done, then do lots of selection in terms of materials, in terms of textures, which gives the real feel to the product. So they stitch together all these aspects like form, colors, textures, materials. Then while prototyping, they actually got to know whether this probably whatever they thought about the function, whether that would really work, or probably they have to again remodify that. So accordingly, they stitch together each aspects or each elements, and then they convert this into a product, which makes it very interesting. We extensively test our products. The zipper goes through 1,500 repetitions. We do textile strength check on all our fabrics. We do tumble test to ensure the durability of the frame.
So our product integrity is very high because we have expertise in product manufacturing and product development. Even during the manufacturing process at our factories, our quality auditor teams make sure to visit the facilities so that they can also make sure the integrity of the product remains intact.
Design for me is confidence, colors and imagination,
travel journal story,
comfort and utility drive,
fashion and architecture,
exploring the unexplored,
innovate something new.